Hi everybody, this is Dr. Mona and I'm here with Jomo Aliqoye. Hi. And very excited to announce that Jomo is going to be here with us practicing for the month through mid-September. And really happy about that. Jomo and I have worked together for some time and I love his practice and I want to introduce him and ask you, Jomo, can you talk to us a little bit about your practice and what you do?
Sure. Hi, everybody. I have been practicing since 2009, so this makes 10 years. Yay!
Wow.
And practice in Harlem and in Brooklyn, back in Brooklyn again, and glad Mona has asked me to support her. We worked together at Third Root Community Health Center, where I was a practitioner co-owner there for a number of years. And I come through what would be called classical Chinese medicine lineage. It's basically acupuncture, Chinese medicine that existed and how it was cultivated prior to the Cultural Revolution in China. And that's what is the dominant mode of practice or system of practice here in America. So I'm versed in the systems that Mona uses and in other systems. Most of my patients that I've treated have come for trauma due to either historical, through social or systemical issues in society, or physical. Physical coming either through surgery, so post-surgical trauma, to physical injuries, whether it be athletics or vehicular, so on and so forth. In addition, those traumas can show up in terms of digestive disorders, which are, Western defined as Crohn's disease or ulcerative colitis. So I have experience in working with patients from prepubescent to pubescent and adulthood. Also have significant experience in working with children from the ages of relatively newborn, shortly afterwards, up to 4 years of age. Done significant work in terms of muscular or bone skeletal issues that have existed at birth or that came up at birth, onto issues that may have come about as a result, some may posit, the parents posited as a result of the vaccinations that they had. And say lastly, psychological and emotional trauma is a big part of my practice as well. So, and I'll add that I take an integrative approach. So one of the things I always advocate for my patients, always articulate to my patients, is to always have a team. Mind you, I'll say that when I first started practicing, I came in with a very anti-Western model of practice. But within 3 years, I've come to recognize, so 3 years in, I began to recognize we need to see an integrative model of healthcare. So I always articulate to my patients in Harlem and in Brooklyn and wherever I meet people, family, friends, society, wherever. Have a team of medical practitioners that care about your well-being primarily, and even if they may specialize, so you may have a Western medical internist. That Western medical internist should have ideally no issues talking to you about and hearing about your experience in yoga, or if you have a personal trainer, your acupuncturist. They should all be able to talk with one another, and that's ultimately what keeps you healthy. So I'll say lastly that I focus more now on helping keep people healthy. So a lot of my patients are coming for maintenance. But again, I have worked with folks who were dealing, and some still are dealing with severe chronic conditions that may be acute or in some cases, but mild to severe. Severe definitely. That's it. Look forward to seeing y'all working with you.
I'm looking forward to working with you more. And I can say that at Third Root, when we would work with the same patients, one thing that I found in common with a lot of your patients is that they were seeking and growing as people and working on themselves.
Mm-hmm.
and I got a sense of which patients to send to you and when a treatment with Jomo would be a good idea. And I have people in mind, of course, now that I want to send to you.
Great.
So I'm looking forward to that. And so this is a great time to do some self-care as we are transitioning into September, and Jomo will be here during that transition from deep summer to September, whatever that is, fall. If you have been through treatment here and you accomplished your goals and you're now in the maintenance stage, remember it's 3 stages, and the last stage is when you've kind of got everything under control. And maintenance, you're kind of at the steering wheel. The seasonal change is a great time to come in and pick that up and do the self-care and make sure that everything is still under control.
Yep. Your body's a car. Tune it up.
Exactly.
You gotta keep yourself tuned up for the fall.
Exactly. Alrighty, so feel free to click the link and set up a free consultation with Jomo, or give us a call if you have any questions. And if you're an existing client, you can just go into your email and set up an appointment. All right.
Bye.